Hello friends, welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today's topic is type of matrices. There are so many types of matrices. Some of them here we will see. So first type of this matrix is, first one is column matrix. Which matrix? Column matrix. So friends, a matrix is said to be column matrix when a matrix is said to be a column matrix when it has only one column. Okay, when it has only one column, then the matrix is said to be column matrix. Can you tell me the example? So example will be, you can consider, for example, let the matrix A is equal to 0, 3, minus 2, minus root 2 or plus root 2. And you can consider the example matrix B is equal to 3, minus 4, minus I, plus I. Okay. Can you guess what is the order of this matrix? Can you guess what is the order of this matrix? So here, friends, just count down how many rows are here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rows are here and 1 column is here. So this matrix order is 4 cross 1. So here you can see this matrix has only one column. Here you can again 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 columns and 4 rows and 1 column. So this matrix is again one column matrix. Understand friends? Our next matrix is matrix of the type is row matrix. Okay friends, our next matrix is row matrix. So what can you say? Let A is equal to Aij be a matrix. राइट आपको जब भी मैट्रिक्स की डेफिनेशन लिखना हो तब आप डायरेक्ट ये लिख सकते हो, लेट A इज इक्वल टू Aij बी अ मैट्रिक्स. देन A is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. If it has only one row, then the matrix is said to be row matrix. Let's just look at the example. The example will be, you can consider, for example, you can consider A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can see friends, we have how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many rows? We have only 1 rows. So what is the order? Order is 1 cross 5. Understand? Can you give me the another example of this row matrix? So write down the any other example of row matrix. In general, what can you say? The order of this matrix should be 1 cross n. Right? Why 1 cross n? Because we have only one row and n columns. Here you can also consider another example. Another example is, consider 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here what is the order? So again we have one row and how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 columns. So this is about the row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. Okay. Now the third type of the matrix is square matrix. सो फ्रेंड्स, स्क्वायर नाम से ही आपको पता चल गया होगा कि स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स हम किसे कहते हैं. तो स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या होता है? स्क्वायर जस्ट लाइक दिस, राइट? सो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, a matrix is said to be square matrix if m is equal to n, right? If you have given a matrix A is equal to Aij, so this should be m cross m matrix, or this should be n cross n matrix. Okay, that means m should be n. M is equal to n. And what is the example? So consider the example. A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So here you can see this is m, this is n. So here m is equal to n. You can consider the matrix 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Another example, so you can consider a 3 cross 3 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 6, minus 7, 8 and 9. So this is called the 3 cross 3 matrix. The matrix not in the rectangular form but the square form. 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, 4 cross 4 matrix, 100 cross 100 matrix are said to be a square matrix. There are so many definitions, there are so many types of matrix whose in which you are necessary to put the square matrix. Remember this thing. Our next definition is about the diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. A matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be a diagonal matrix. Yes friends, whenever you are writing your matrix in this form like Aij, then you have, this is necessary that you have to write its order. So write down the order, m cross n or m cross m. Here this matrix should be a square matrix. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स उसी के होते हैं, डायगोनल्स उसी के होते हैं जिसकी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स हो. तो यहाँ पर आपको स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स कंसीडर करना ये नेसेसरी है. अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी diagonal matrix if its all non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, non-diagonals कैसे होने चाहिए? 0, right? That means Aij should be 0 for all ij, okay, and ai should not equal to 0. Aij should not equal to 0 when I is equal to j. Okay, I is not equal to j, then all ij should be 0, and when I is equal to j, then all ij should not equal to 0. The example of diagonal matrix is given by example. Here we are considering the square matrix 3 cross 3. Okay, so your all the diagonal elements should be non-zero. So consider 1, 2 and 3 and all are 0, right? This is called the diagonal matrix. Now consider a 2 cross 2 matrix. That means how many rows and how many columns? There are 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so consider 1 and 2. They are the diagonal elements and others are 0. Here you can consider a 4 cross 4 matrix also. We are considering a square matrix 4 cross 4. So what are the diagonal elements? Diagonal elements are 1, minus 1, 2 and minus 2, and the others are should be 0. Okay, this is called the diagonal elements. Okay, these matrices are called diagonal matrices. What are the diagonal elements? So diagonal elements are said to be 1, 2, 3. It is denoted by DIAG, diagonal. For this matrix, what are the diagonal elements? These are the diagonal elements are 1, 2. What are the diagonal elements for this one? Diagonal elements are for this one 1, -1, 2 and -2. Yes friends, our next definition is about the scalar matrix. Our fifth definition of the matrix is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Okay. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर आपको नोट करना चाहिए कि हमारे जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स होते हैं वो किस मैट्रिक्स के होते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स के. सो हियर वी आर नेसेसरी टू टेक अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. लेट A is equal to Aij m cross n, or m cross m is a square matrix, right? This is square matrix. Now A is said to be a scalar matrix when the diagonal elements, when all the diagonal elements of matrix A are equal. कैसे होने चाहिए फ्रेंड्स? All the diagonal elements of A should be equal. Consider examples of the scalar matrices. Consider a 1 cross 1 matrix 4. Okay, so here we have 1 cross 1 matrix and we have scalar only 1, that means 4. Here we can consider 2 cross 2 matrix. So here we'll see जहाँ पर I और J सेम होंगे वो एंट्री सेम होगी, और I is not equal to J होगा वो एंट्री कैसी होगी? 0 होगी. So here where I we are just writing down A11, A12, A13 and A21 and A22. So here these two entries will be 0 and these diagonal entries will be same, 4 and 4. Okay. In this manner, we'll consider a 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3 matrix will be √3, 0, 0, 0, √3, 0, 0, 0 and √3. Here, what is the scalar? Scalar is √3. You can see the diagonal elements are same and the non-diagonal elements are 0. And we can consider again the 3 cross 3 matrix. You can consider negative I, 0, 0, 0, negative I, 0, 0, 0 and again negative of I. Here you can consider a scalar minus I outside and you are left with the identity matrix, right? So in this way you can define the scalar matrix. In the mathematical form you can consider a matrix A will be Aij will be 0 when I is not equal to J. Okay, and Aij will be some constant when I is equal to J, and for some constant. Okay, that means Aij जब 0 है जब I is not equal to J है, और Aij तब K है जब I is equal to J है. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं A11 है तो क्या है? √3 है. A22 है, I is equal to J है तो √3 है. Aij A33 है सो अगेन √3 है. तो यहाँ पर सम K क्या हो गया? √3 हो गया. और बाकी के जो Aij है जहाँ पर I is not equal to J है, दिस इज A12, A13, तो यहाँ पर वैल्यूज क्या है? 0 है. Okay friends, now friends, the sixth type of the matrix is zero matrix. Sixth one is about zero matrix. Remember friends, यहाँ पर आपका जो मैट्रिक्स है वो स्क्वायर होने से कोई मतलब नहीं है. आपका मैट्रिक्स रेक्टेंगुलर भी हो सकता है, स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है, राइट. अ मैट्रिक्स A is equal to Aij with the order m cross n is said to be a zero matrix if all the entries of A are zero. ओके, इफ ऑल द मैट्रिक्स के जितनी भी एंट्रीज हैं वो सारी की सारी जीरो हो, सो ऐसी मैट्रिक्स को हम जीरो मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं और नल मैट्रिक्स भी कहते हैं. सो कंसीडर द एग्जांपल. यू कैन कंसीडर द 1 क्रॉस 1 मैट्रिक्स, दैट मीन्स जीरो. यू कैन कंसीडर 1 क्रॉस 3 मैट्रिक्स, दैट मीन्स 1 रो and 3 columns, 0 0 0. This matrix is called 1 cross 3 matrix. This is also a null matrix. You can consider 3 cross 3 matrix, 0 0 0 0 0 0 and zeros. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. So these are the examples of the null matrices. Now we have the next term. Seventh type of the matrix is identity matrix. Seventh type of the matrix is identity matrix. A matrix A is equal to Aij, the order m cross n is said to be an identity matrix if all the diagonal elements of matrix A are 1 and non-diagonal elements are or should be 0. ओके, कहने का मतलब A should be 1 if I is equal to J, and it will be 0 if I is not equal to J. Okay, so we'll consider 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, or yes, in the identity matrix, this is necessary, the matrix should be square. A square matrix is said to be identity matrix when all the diagonal elements of A are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay, so consider the 2 cross 2 matrix. So here we can say 1 0 0 and 1, and the next one is 3 cross 3 matrix. Consider 3 cross 3 matrix. It will be all the diagonal elements should be 1 and non-diagonal are 0. Okay, and you can consider a 4 cross 4 matrix, 1 1 1 and 1, and all the diagonal elements, non-diagonal elements should be what? 0. Okay, so in this way you can define the types of the matrices. And the last and the next one is equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Right? कब कह सकते हैं कि हमारा जो मैट्रिक्स है वो इक्वल है? तो फ्रेंड्स, जब भी हमें इक्वालिटी की बात करनी हो तो हमें आपको क्या करना है, हमेशा मैथमेटिक्स में 2 चीजों को कंसीडर करनी है. 2 चीजों को, हमें 2 मैट्रिसेस लेना है, राइट. फिर हमें बताना है कि ये मैट्रिसेस कब इक्वल हो सकती है. व्हाट आर द नेसेसरी कंडीशंस. सो कंसीडर टू मैट्रिसेस. कंसीडर two matrices. Matrix A is equal to Aij and matrix B is equal to Bij are said to be equal if. कब इक्वल होंगी? फर्स्ट, each element of A should be same to element of B. Okay, each element of A should be same as element of the matrix B. And the second one, the order of both matrices should be equal. फ्रेंड्स, क्या कंडीशंस होनी चाहिए? सो कंडीशंस होनी चाहिए इक्वालिटी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस में. पहले तो आपके जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो सारे के सारे इक्वल होने चाहिए. और सेकंड, द ऑर्डर ऑफ बोथ ऑफ द मैट्रिसेस शुड बी equal. What are the examples? So consider the examples. Here we are considering example number A of 2 cross 2 matrix 1, 3, 2, 4. This matrix is same as a B matrix 1, 3, 2, 4. Here you can see each elements of A and B are equal. So here B is equal to A and A is equal to B. Now बात कर लेते हैं, हमारे एलिमेंट्स की बात तो हो गई, आप देख सकते हैं. हम अब बात कर लेते हैं ऑर्डर की. सो A का ऑर्डर क्या है? 2 क्रॉस 2 है. और B का ऑर्डर क्या है? अगेन 2 क्रॉस 2 है. सो इन दिस वे आप डिफाइन कर सकते हैं इक्वालिटी मैट्रिक्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हमने क्या क्या सीखा? स्केलर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, and column matrix, row matrix, diagonal matrix, zero matrix, and equality of matrices. Friends, if you like our video, just subscribe our channel. Thank you.